Good morning, Myrtle Creek Saw Shop here. I just wanted to let you know that we have a lot of arborist supplies we've been carrying for years now. Here's a view of this wall here, various items. We have more items over here. Got more over here. And we're also carrying ropes, various sizes of ropes and types. Over here we special order anything anybody wants. We've got the rope bags. We've got bags. There's a Petzl bag here. So we're carrying, wide variety of ropes and bags, saddles, harnesses, climbing spurs, flip lines, ascenders, carabiners, throw line kits, the Notch big shots, pulleys, zigzag pluses, the porter wraps, rope pullers, helmets, got stop slow signs, and much more. So I'll show you what our store phone number is again here. So this is our store phone number and email. This is, we're selling on Square. This is our Square online store site, and of course we're on Facebook also. So give us a call if you're interested in any arborist supplies, and let us know what you're interested in. Thank you.